Today I make some jerk chicken and some festival. So let's go, yo. We have some thyme in there. Put some garlic powder. Got my jerk seasoning right there. Nice and spicy. I got some Scotch bonnet pepper in there too that I'm gonna rub in there. Make sure I get a lot of this stuff in there, people, Nice and lovely. Let's go. Put a little bit of this, get it a little extra hot, Nice and lovely. Let's go. Yeah. Put some meat seasoning in there. Some black pepper. Some red pepper. Some body, Old Bay. I do my things different, man. I don't follow nobody. I don't watch no tradition. Put some paprika in there. Just a little bit of this, not too much. I don't want it too hot. We're gonna cut that jalapeno. I'm gonna put that in there too, and then I'm gonna mix it up and come back. So I'm gonna drop a little bit more jerk seasoning in there. It's looking kind of light to me, and then I'm gonna add some more all-purpose seasoning. I'm gonna mix it up again, and then we're gonna be ready for the grill. Let's go, people. So we're gonna drop this on the grill. I'm not gonna put it on the hot side yet. I'm gonna put it on the regular side. I always keep two sides to my grill going. One hot side and one side where the fire is not at, So I'm gonna get that popping and rolling, and let me go ahead and get this festival started. So now it's time for me to make my festival. I'm gonna use some all-purpose flour. Put some flour in a pan right there. Always save back a little bit of the flour just in case my dough spoil. I use some cornmeal, some yellow cornmeal, Get it all up in there, Now I'm gonna use I use about 2 spoons of sugar. That's enough right there for me. And then I'm gonna use some baking powder. Yeah, that's enough for me. And half a stick of sweet butter. Put that in there. And then what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna use some vanilla. I'm gonna put my vanilla dough I warm up some milk. I'm gonna put my vanilla in the milk. and then I'm gonna start to form my dough. I'm gonna start to form my dough with this milk and this vanilla. So watch me. So let me form this dough. I'll explain to you guys how to form the dough. I'll be right back. So I made my dough. I'm gonna stick it in the fridge till I'm ready for it. So let's go check on the chicken. Chicken looking nice and lovely, but what I want to do right now, I want to give it some color. So let me go ahead and give this chicken some color. You know, I'm gonna let it cook nice and slowly, you know. Nice and lovely. See that nice color there? So now I put it up here. I'll put it on top. Let it cook nice and slow. So I got some more to give color to. This is how I do it. This is how I do it. You know? Everybody do it different. This is the way I do it. Nice and lovely, lovely and nice. Cooking it nice and slow. That's the only way to go. That's the only way to do it. Ain't nothing at all to it. So now, see it sitting up there. So now we just gonna let it slow cook. Let's go. So now it's time for me to make my festival. I got my dough already. Got my oil getting nice and hot. Not too hot because we don't want to burn our festival. So I'm gonna form out these festival. I'm gonna form it and I'm gonna show you how I form it. Let me put this camera down for a second. So basically you just roll it up into the form that you're trying to form. Just like you're playing with, you know, Play-Doh in grade school. So I'm gonna put it in there. Gonna fry it nice and slow. And not gonna put it on high because we gotta fry both sides, you know. So that's how we do it. Nothing at all to it, you know. Let me turn this down a little more. So we're gonna let that fry nice and lovely. Nice and lovely as we fry this thing. We got all these festivals looking nice and lovely. Waiting on the chicken right now.